Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have not done so as yet, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I got this off of TEMU the other day. It's supposed to be for washi tape, so let's see how that's gonna work. No instructions, so I guess it's easy to put together. Okay, I guess this is the base. That's the base. All right, or the back. Okay, that was the back, not the base. So we put it here. Oh, this one's bent. I don't know how this was gonna work. No. But I guess I could put it whichever directions. But that was easy. That wasn't that hard. Okay, let's see this way. Let's see which way. I might have to look up on TEMU to see how. I guess you could do it any way you please, actually, because this is, for me, I think this would be the best way for me with the space that I will be using it in. But see how this one's bent? Do you see it, how it's bent? But yeah, this is a little washi tape stand that I have. I have my washi tapes over in this thing right here, and I think I'm gonna try, because I need these drawers for stickers and paper. So I decided that maybe the washi tapes that's in the season that we are in at the moment, I will put on here. But actually I think it might fit all my washi tapes. Let's see, maybe I should do them. Oh, you guys can't see what I'm doing. Hold on, let's reposition you. There you go. I don't know, this one's gonna get on my nerves because it's bent. Let's put all of these purple ones here, seeing as they're all the same color. And I just have to find a space on one of my shelves for this. I think that's going to be one of my next videos, is I am going to do a kind of like a little tour of my little craft area that I have. My craft area is within my closet, and as soon as I start recording, the dog starts barking. So guys, I'm gonna have to come back, so I'm gonna pause the video for now, go check on him and see, and then I'll be back. Because oh, this one's bent too. Is this, are they supposed to be? No, but some of them are straight, so I don't know. But as soon as I start recording, the dog starts barking, so I'm gonna go check on him, make sure everything's okay down there, because he was taking a nap, and I will be back. I think I'm gonna actually appreciate the washi tapes all being out like this, due to the fact that I'll be able to see what I have and use more and use them more often in my spreads and stuff. I think I'm gonna like that, because yeah, I think I'm gonna like that. Maybe I put the small ones on it, and then I could also actually on here, on the bottom right here, I could literally fit like a little short tray or something, maybe to get from the Dollar Tree, and fit right here. But I'm gonna pause you guys for now, and I'm gonna go check on the dog, and then we're gonna take back up after. All right, I'll be back, guys. Okay, hi guys, I'm back the next day. So yeah, kind of got busy yesterday and I never got to finish recording. But this is, sorry, as you could hear the dog in the background. But anyways, so I never got back to showing you guys. I think I showed you guys setting it up, and I had started putting up the washi tape, but I got kind of busy, so I went ahead and finished it later on in the night, and now I'm showing you guys what is on here. I was able to remove 1, 2, 3 drawers of washi tapes to put up here, and some other ones that I had laying around. As you can see, all this space back here, I think I'm gonna get a bin and put the rest of the washi tapes in the bin back here. Let me see, I don't have anything right now to put there, but yeah, I'm gonna get a clear bin and put the rest of the washi tapes right there. I already put stickers in this drawer, put stickers in that drawer. These are some other type of stickers that I have, tapes that I have that I'm gonna, and then this is not even a full drawer. And these are some duplicates that I put away over there. And then these are my PET ones. But yeah, so this is my new little washi thing. Now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it. I had it up here earlier, but that's where I literally put my laptop when I have it there. So it can't stay there. But aside from that, this is my new washi tape setup that I think that it's going to be, I need to put it right here, honestly. I need to figure out and put it right here. Like for it to stay more visible so that I can actually see them and use them more often. A lot of these washi tapes are, I think I remember I ordered some from eBay one time. A lot of them are from Dollar Tree, no lie. When Dollar Tree used to have a lot of washi tapes. A lot of my washi tapes, a lot of my craft supplies are actually originally from eBay. This was AliExpress. I also ordered from Shein and then from TEMU, but mostly between Dollar Tree and AliExpress. But I think I'm actually liking TEMU craft supplies, junk journal supplies more now than AliExpress. Or at least it's easier to find stuff on there, if I'm gonna be honest with you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a little short, quick one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a good one, guys. See you in the next one.